Hello. Today we're going to do yogic eye gazing or candle gazing called Trataka. Ideally, you have your own candle that's lit, but since you're watching this on a video screen, just do your best. And if you need to visualize the candle the whole time, that's okay too. But if able, you're going to light your own candle at the height of your eyes or as close to that as you can. You want to be able to sit tall, either cross-legged on the ground, or if you're doing this at your desk, you can sit in a chair. Let the shoulders be relaxed and let the candle be in a place so that you don't have to strain your neck. To begin these exercises, sitting nice and tall, you're going to inhale and lift the chest bone to the chin and just slightly lower the chin to the chest bone. As you start to gaze at the candle, the mind's going to start to get one-pointed. The benefits to this exercise is to help you concentrate. You might release blurry eye syndrome from staring at the computer long. But most important is the ability to help the mind concentrate. As we start to allow the mind to concentrate on the flame of the candle, over time the mind starts to settle. And when the thoughts in the mind are calm, we can feel and experience our true self and our true nature. This is important to do, if able, every day. To begin the eye-gazing exercise, when the eyes is focused at the candle, start to shift the eyes lower to the base of the candle holder. Then notice the wick of the candle. And then start to shift focus right to the center of the flame of the candle. Do your best not to blink. Even if the eyes water, that's okay. In fact, it's recommended in this exercise. But if it's uncomfortable and you absolutely have to blink, just blink the eyes and return focus when you're ready. As you gaze at the light of the candle, we're going to slowly now purposely close and blink the eyes a few times. And now what's called cupping or palming, we're going to place the hands lightly over the eyes. Without pressing the eyelids itself, inhale and give a little press, exhale, release. Inhale, press, exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, press, exhale, release. Lower the hands and just pause, returning the focus to the candle base. The next is called intense focus, and we start by looking at the base of the candle, shifting focus to the candle wick and then the tip of the candle. Now start to notice the color of the candle, the shape of the candle, the shape of the flame, and perhaps even seeing the aura and colors of light around the candle flame. Keep the eyes focused, observing, and then slowly close the eyes and now visualize the exact candle flame you were just focusing on. In your mind's eye, see the shape, the color, and anything else you noticed. This is a very important part of the practice to help the mind develop the powers of concentration. Then when you're ready, slowly open the eyes. You can blink the eyes a few times and then again return to the palming or cupping by pressing the hands lightly, not on the eyelid but around the eye, and then releasing. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. Slowly lower the hands down and just pause, perhaps blinking the eyes a few times. The last part of this exercise combines a press of the eye with a sound, and this is also to improve not just your concentration, but to turn the senses inward, to give a real break, especially from working all day and being on a computer or facing lights, bright lights, and working with people all day. This gives you a time for the mind to go inward. To do this exercise, It's called Brahmani. You're going to be inhaling, gazing at the candle. As you exhale, you're going to cup the palms over the eyes and make a sound like this. Let's try it together 3 times. Inhaling. 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 Slowly lower the hands. Again, a soft gaze at the candle now. And then close the eyes. You can visualize the candle again. Now release any visualizations or attempts to concentrate and just feel the effects of this Jyoti Trataka, light or candle gazing. Enjoy simple breaks like this you can do at home or work to give a mind a place to concentrate and let the excess thoughts start to fade away. Use these practices to help improve your ability to concentrate, to relax the mind.